Hello guys, my name is Kotabova from my speaker YouTube channel, and in this video, it's a cross comparison. It's a portable speakers comparison between the Agno brand, but there's no brand, sorry, kts-1612 that have 20 watts output power versus ryght toogo-m have got 10 watts output power. That means, which one is louder? Let's find out. But first, let's power that up. As you can see, I already powered that on, so that means let's get into the review to kts-1612 and the ryght toogo-m. That means the kts-1612 have only hour of playtime and have M mode, that means radio mode FM. And they have two subwoofers. One subwoofer is 10 watts and one is 10 watts. That means 20 watts in total. And the ryght toogo-m have 7.5 hours playtime. Two mid-bass, sorry. And I have some light shells over here. They have 9 light shells. Let's get headed to the sound test. Let's get started about kts-1612.
I got something on my mind. Nowhere else to go. Take me downtown to you. Baby, show me all what I like. Take it. What I said was true. You can't fake it. Wanna be with me, still you wanna be with me, still you wanna feel like me, still I can find you.
As you can see, look at this. The kts-1612 have the loud one, but they have powerful bass one. But let's put on a short comparison after this on Animals by Mountain Carricks with the tissue on it, but that one doesn't have all the ryght toogo-m's. So yep, and now let's get headed to the ryght toogo-m of the sound test.
I got something on my mind. Nowhere else to go. Take me downtown to you. Baby, show me all what I like. Can't take it. What I said was true. You can't fake it. You wanna be with me, still you wanna be with me, still you wanna feel like me, still I can find you.
As you can see, the ryght toogo-m does have the quality one, but the kts-1612 have the loudest one. That means kts-1612 was the best one, but only got 1 hour of playtime. This one 7.5 hours playtime. That means this. Let's make a short comparison test. That means subscribe to my speaker YouTube channel and stay tuned for more. You know what? Let's see if I can power off on this time. But this one is the switch off, but doesn't have sounds. So yep, it doesn't have it. But that means ryght toogo-m has got the sounds of shutdown. So always, thanks for watching. Bye bye.